we're bathing our puppies.
Don't say that.
I am just... Yeah, look at all the dirt.
Open the top one.
Can I bath the next one?
I'm not even bathing them.
What?
Just sit still.
Yeah. Except for this one. This one is sitting still a little. Right, Mommy?
Maybe he likes it. What? They're bathing in the sink. Mr. Love, Mr. Love, Mr. Love. Wait, did we also bath Coco in the sink?
Nope. By the time we were... Mommy, in between. By the time we were bathing Coco... By the time we were bathing Coco, she was even too big to fit in a sink.
This is the second out of 6 puppies that have been bathed so far. She just bathed the one that
She's enjoying it.
Yeah.
She's just laying down.
But I will be able to record all 6 of them bathing.
That means we can take them in the house now. Like when they're dry.
Oh yeah.
What? They're clean. Did you forget the ears? Why you think it's digging into the skin?
The ears. Oh, it's spraying all on. Make sure it doesn't spray on the camera. Look at my nails. Oh, it feels so cool when it's wet.
You're gonna jump, maybe.
You didn't bite its butt. Now its butt is all dirty.
Yeah, push it up a little.
Oh, you don't like bathing? No, you don't. You don't. You clean.
Switch it up.
Okay. We have technically finished.
Wait.
I'm drawing the dog.
Do its nose. It still has dirt on its nose.
Oh, I guess I have to go to
Where's oh, she's going to play with the dirty paper. That was not okay.
It doesn't get that dirty.
Oh, okay.
the bath. Yeah.
Oh, you're the next one.
Okay.
Hold on, Maya, hold on.
I know, I'm just carrying it.
So we are technically finished. Just cleaning the ears. Drying it up a little.
Mommy, why is Angela trying to bite herself?
She's licking herself. Is she chasing her tail?
Yep.
Why are they not supposed to chase their tail? Ouch, Maya.
Sorry.
Well, that's why they cut their tails.
So they don't chase it? Why do? Oh, so they think it's like some ghost or something?
They end up. I think I might need this ear thing.
Okay, well, we are finished.
Come on, hurry up, Mom.
Just drying it up a little bit.
This is our next contestant. She back
Yeah,
to
she's all
the
relaxed.
scene.
I
Not
know.
even in a hurry to get up. Okay, come on.
Bye. Oh, you clean puppy. Okay.
This is the fact.
Oh. And we are done.